What if I told you that a filthy, forgotten penny sitting in your pocket right now could be worth more than a brand new luxury car? I'm talking serious big money, hidden treasure that most people overlook every single day. And today, we're diving into one of the most shocking coins in circulation history, the 1958 old and dirty wheat penny. Now before you click away thinking, it's just a penny, listen closely, because this tiny coin has a backstory that has stunned collectors for decades. Picture this, it's 1958, the final year of the iconic wheat penny design before it was replaced by the Lincoln Memorial reverse. Millions were minted, passed through hands, dropped in jars, lost in couches, and forgotten. But here's where things get mysterious. Among those millions, a few coins slipped through the cracks, coins with errors so rare, so unexpected, that they turned into life-changing value pieces almost overnight. And one of them, sold for over $300,000. Yes, you heard that right. A single 1958 wheat penny, something most people would call old and dirty, became a piece of hidden treasure worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now here's the shocking part, there are still people out there who unknowingly own one. Let me show you exactly what to look for, because this is where things get exciting. First, check the date, 1958. That's your starting point. Next, look at the back. You should see the classic wheat ears design, two stalks framing the words, 1 cent. If you see the Lincoln Memorial instead, stop, that's not it. Now here's where the real magic happens. There is an ultra-rare error known as the 1958 Doubled Die Obverse. This is the crown jewel. On this coin, the text on the front, especially "Liberty" and "In God We Trust," appears doubled. Not slightly blurry, but clearly doubled, almost like a shadow or echo of the letters. This wasn't damage. This wasn't wear. This was a minting mistake, and one of the most dramatic ever seen. Only a handful of these coins are known to exist. And one of them sold at auction for over $336,000. That's not just big money, that's life-changing value from a single penny. Now pause for a second. Imagine digging through an old jar of coins your grandparents left behind, and finding that. That's why collectors are obsessed with this coin. But wait, there's more. Even if you don't have the ultra-rare double die, your 1958 wheat penny could still be worth serious money depending on its condition. If it's an uncirculated condition, meaning it still has its original shine, no major scratches, it could be worth anywhere from $10 to $50, sometimes more. But if it has a rich red color, that's where values jump. Collectors categorize pennies by color, brown, and red. A fully red 1958 wheat penny can sell for $100 or more, especially in high grades. Now let's talk about something most people ignore, and this could make all the difference. The rim. Check the edges of your coin. A strong, well-defined rim is a sign of a better strike, which collectors love. Weak or worn rims, that lowers value. Also, inspect the surface. Look for unusual textures, cracks, or raised lines. Because here's another shocking twist. Some 1958 pennies have die cracks or minor mint errors that can push their value into the hundreds. Not thousands, but still big money for something people usually toss aside. And here's a quick story that might blow your mind. A collector once bought a group of old wheat pennies at a flea market for just a few dollars. Hidden inside that pile was a rare 1958 variety. Not the famous double die, but still valuable enough to sell for over $1,000. That's the kind of hidden treasure we're talking about. Now let's bring the suspense back up, because this next detail is crucial. Many of these valuable coins don't look impressive. They're not shiny. They're not perfect. They're old, dirty, worn. And that's exactly why people miss them. They assume dirty means worthless. But in the world of coin collecting, dirty can sometimes mean untouched, original, and incredibly valuable. So don't clean your coins. I repeat, do not clean your coins. Cleaning can destroy the surface and wipe out thousands of dollars in value instantly. Now imagine this scenario. You're going through spare change tonight. You spot a dull, brown penny. You almost ignore it, but then you notice the date, 1958. Your heart starts racing. You flip it over, wheat ears. Then you look closer at the front. Is that doubling? Are the letters slightly overlapping? That moment, that exact moment, could be the difference between pocket change and life-changing value. And here's something else most people don't realize. Because 1958 was the final year of wheat pennies, collectors pay extra attention to this date. That means even small errors or high-quality examples are in demand. Demand drives price. And price means big money. Now let me give you a quick checklist so you don't miss anything. Check the date, 1958. Confirm the wheat reverse. Examine the front text for doubling, especially Liberty and In God We Trust. Look at the color, red coins are more valuable. Inspect the rim and surface for sharpness and unusual features. And most importantly, trust your instincts. If something looks off or unique, it might be worth getting it checked by a professional. Because coins like this don't just appear in museums. They show up in everyday life. In jars. In drawers. In old wallets. And sometimes, in your own pocket. Now here's the cliffhanger you don't want to ignore. Experts believe there are still undiscovered 1958 doubled die pennies out there. That means someone, maybe even you, could be holding a hidden treasure worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and not even know it. So before you spend another penny, check your change. Go through that old coin jar. Look twice at every 1958 wheat penny you find. Because the next one you pick up could turn out to be life-changing value. And if you want more stories about coins hiding big money in plain sight, make sure you subscribe, because the next coin we're covering might be even more shocking than this one.